how this one little mistake could cost you thousands per year in your painting business. Hi, Lee Cusano here from painting-business.com. Do you realize that all successful businesses have more than one product or service to offer their customers? As a new painting business owner, you should also offer some extra related services. These are natural add-on services related to house painting. Why not get every dollar you can squeeze out of each customer, since really good customers aren't always easy to come by? After all, are your customers going to call you or somebody else? There is big money in the right add-on services. For example, every paint job needs some form of drywall repair. And did you know that there are small drywall and plaster repair jobs that can net you $300 to $500 for as little as 7 to 10 hours of easy work? Here's the good news. You get my fully illustrated drywall and plaster repair manual for free when you order the Paint Like a Pro estimating and advertising system. I will also do light carpentry work too from time to time. I can trim out doors and windows, baseboards, etc. Offering extra services like power washing, eaves trough cleaning, window washing, etc. is smart business. Be sure to let your customers know this while you're doing some painting for them. People add on extra painting work all the time, and so adding on other related services are a natural as well if they know that you offer them. Amazing star murals. Here's an easy, fun add-on business that can allow you to make as much as $100 to $200 per hour. It only takes a few days of practice, and then you are ready to add this awesome, unusual decorating skill to your painting business as something that's out of this world. All you have to do is make a sample demo poster to show to your painting customers while in their homes. You could start getting some star mural jobs, making you an extra $150, $300, $500, even $1,000 or more in a single day or week. See AmazingStarMurals.com for more info. Remember, without extra add-on services, you will be leaving thousands of dollars behind in lost profits over the years. If you look at the larger painting customers, you will see that they offer these extra services. Painting customers also need staining and varnishing, drywall and plaster repair, ceiling and wall texturing, stucco repair, wallpapering and wallpaper removal, window washing, power washing, eaves trough cleaning, mural painting, light carpentry. Will your customers call you or somebody else? These are all natural add-on services that customers frequently need and are closely related to a painting business. They can greatly add to your bottom line in weekly, monthly, and yearly profits. They are all easy to do for a house painter. Please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Make hundreds of dollars daily in your own profitable painting business. Plus, get my free report today. Visit painting-business.com.